gotta see how this door just ain't symmetrical with the rest of the car. We're gonna fix that. Chris Custom. I mean, it's locked is what the problem is. It's just locked. I mean, it'll come out. It's locked. That's the problem.